Konnichiwa, my name's Andy. Welcome to Uzumaki Garage. Today I'm working on the yellow Integra again, and this time I'm giving it a little upgrade inspired by the NSX-R. This Momo steering wheel is trimmed in leather and 340mm diameter. They're available in various styles and sizes, so you can really fine-tune your driving ergonomics. You can also use them with a quick release hub, which makes it much easier to get in and out of your race car, especially if you have a roll cage. Lifting out the Momo button, and the positive wire instantly fell off the horn button spade connector. And the earth wire was only wrapped around this gold coloured clip. It looks like the horn button has a hole for a bullet connector, and beside the hole is the earth symbol. I want to do a better job installing the new horn button. I'm trimming the earth wire and crimping on a new bullet connector after removing its insulator. I'll be using my blue Haltech crimping tool at the number 3 position. The horn button's a snug fit, and I need to put a slight bend in the wire's spade connector so the horn button could seat fully into the wheel. That turned out really well. The NSX horn button looks perfect on the Momo steering wheel. And I hope you enjoyed the moody lighting and camera moves. I still don't have a real video camera yet, so considering I shot most of this video on my old iPhone, I think it turned out pretty nice. This video was really short and simple, but they're not all like that. So check out my channel to see my other videos. Tell me your thoughts in the comments, even if you think you just wasted 5 minutes of your life. Or give it a like, click subscribe and notify, and you can even share my channel with your mates. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.